How to replace a wall sconce. This is leading into the basement of my 2 apartments. And this light fixture, I want to say, is from the 1950s. It's really old. I think it's time I replace it. And I got to do something about these walls, but that's another project down the road. So I got this at Lowe's. It's Project Source wall sconce with a frosted glass shade. It was only $17.98. The items that you're going to need are the Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, electrical tape, pliers, ladder. So you first want to turn off the electric. Then take out the bulb and take out the fixture. Now these are called wire connectors or wire nuts. They have a plastic shell with an internal metal coil that twist locks onto the wires, creating a secure insulated connection for the circuits. You're going to get new ones in the box. So they say the estimated time is 20 minutes, and I think that's about right. And they have feeling confident, start your next project. You'll be able to do any light fixture after doing this. So they give you everything that you need. So you want to open up everything up. And look at this, it's almost identical. The same design from so long ago. Now on here it says you don't want to go over a 60-watt light bulb. Now these little balls, they screw off. That way you can fit it right in there. Then you just screw them back on. And it has a rotary on and off switch. So the directions are really easy. They have letters to show what you need to do. They don't really tell you exactly what they're called, but it's very easy. Now, I didn't use electrical tape right there. They're showing it there. But if you want to, you can. All right, so you want to take everything out from the old light fixture. So you're just going to screw this piece in. And untwist all the wires. You got the white wire, the black wire, and the copper wire. This is the grounding wire, so you're going to put it around that little green screw, and then you're going to tighten it. Then you're going to wrap around the wire onto the other black one. And then take the wire nut. See, it has little threads in here. And you're going to screw this on clockwise to tighten and secure the wires. And you want to pull on it, make sure it doesn't slide off. If it slides off, just redo it until it's tight. And then do the same with the white wire. Then you want to loosen this middle part so you can push in the wires with the caps on it. You want them neatly tucked in there. Now you can tighten this piece. Now you're going to unscrew these little metal balls. And then fit them right in there. And then screw the balls back on. Now you unscrew this piece. This is what holds the globe in place. So you fit that on and then you screw that in. And then put your light bulb in. Now I have the brushed nickel. They also have a darker oil rub bronze. And then you can turn this switch on. Now, if the light doesn't go on, make sure that you go and turn the little switch on, the rotary on and off switch underneath. Now, it's 8 inches tall, 4.5 inches wide, and the depth is 5 inches wide. It's very easy to do. And you could even do it reversed. It can be used the other way with the globe facing down. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel.